This is Ryan with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the dispenser drip tray on your GE refrigerator. If you need a new drip tray for your refrigerator, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To remove the tray, grab the edge on either side of the bottom and pull towards you. This may require some force if it hasn't been removed recently. If you need to purchase a new dispenser drip tray, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install the drip tray, simply align and press until it is fully seated back in place. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this or these, please consider subscribing.